Hi, welcome to Monster Transmissions. You're in Curt's Corner. We get a lot of tech questions here coming into the company, and today we're going to go over the speed sensor differences on a AOD E or a 4R70W, and also known as a 4R75. There are different speed sensors and different setups based on the year of your application. So this is an earlier generation, which could be an AOD E or a 4R70W. It goes from 1992 all the way up to 2001. And in 2001, they changed the design of the speed sensor and also the pickup for the speed sensor on the sun shell on the inside. This has a single speed sensor on the case. It's molded into the case right here, and it has a unique or oval shaped connector on the harness. So this will have one speed sensor, again 92 up to 2001. And then in 2001, Ford decided we're going to change it up and we're going to go with an input and output speed sensor. So the later units have multiple speed sensors on the case. So they had initially just one, and then later they ended up having an input and an output speed sensor. So the shape of this is more of a square pattern, and the harness connection is different. So you cannot use a later unit or a later speed sensor unit on an earlier application or vice versa. So it's very critical. 2001 is the change year, and that's you really need to look at the harness connections to ensure you order the correct unit. So this is the early one, 92 to 2001, and it's more of an oval shaped pattern. So this is the early one. And the late one, the rear sensor, which is the one you're concerned about, is more of a squared pattern. Okay? So the harness connection to the sensors are different, as well as the patterns, so they're not interchangeable. And also, again, the sun shell in these two units are different. So you have to have a correct sun shell to match up with this, because there's a magnetic and non-magnetic sun shell. So there are physical differences to the transmission, electronic differences, but the key difference comparing speed sensors is early and late. This is 2001 on up to even up to 2015. And this is early, 1992 to 2001. If you have further technical questions, you can give us a call toll-free, 1-800-708-0087. Looking forward to speaking to you then.